Today I'm going to be making a Subway style chicken sandwich. So it's a whole wheat bread that I'm just going to slice into half, and that's where all our toppings will go. And now I'm going to spread on some pesto sauce. So you want to spread this pretty generously on both sides. On the bottom here, this is what's going to give it a lot of flavor. And this genuinely is the difference between a homemade sandwich and what you might buy outside. So that's a good dose of my homemade pesto sauce. And now I'm going to add some chicken to it. So this is just poached chicken, and add some cheese. I'm going to layer it with some lettuce. Now some fresh tomatoes. And this is a pro tip, that when you're making this sort of a sandwich, just de-seed the tomato, because it's the seeds in the tomato and in the cucumber that are going to make this sandwich really soggy. I cannot get myself to eat raw onions. So what I do is that I just soak it for some time in regular white vinegar. So it just takes that, edge of the onion. And now some jalapeños, just to give it that little hint of something hot and spicy. And I'm also going to add some olives. Okay, and now for a bit of mayo. And now for the final bit is the mustard. I'm just going to add some salt and pepper. And that is our sandwich ready to be eaten. Like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel. See ya!